stalwarts who have contributed to the development of the state, the society, and the nation as a whole. Yes, as a house, we fondly remember the lives of all these members who have greatly contributed, and more so at a personal level. I rise to express my deepest condolence to the passing away of one of our very own, the stalwart of the state, late S.D. Khongwir, whom I have been personally associated with him, though not in politics, but as one of the member whom I am also a part of this locality where late by S.D. Khongwir, he was the Rangbachnong. The loss of this great personality, in fact, it is not the loss only of his family members, but it is also a loss of the community and the state as a whole. I don't have much of a personal one-on-one relationship with S.D. Khongwir, yet I fondly recollect just before the 2023 Assembly election. It was almost 8 months before the election. I had the opportunity to meet him personally because I feel at that point of time that this great man, this great personality deserves the respect from me, who have decided at that point of time to participate in this just concluded election. And he was so kind enough to accept my request, where he invited me to his residence, where I had a one-on-one discussion with him. And it was through these 45 minutes that I had discussion with him that I learned about his personality. Late S.D. Khongwir, as I can recollect, through my interaction with him, I could see that he is a person who had within him this charisma. He had the personality. And I wouldn't delve much into what he has done or his contribution, because as our senior members, from the leader of the House to the leader of the opposition, have expressed, because they have had the opportunity to work with him when he was still a member of this House. Some of the senior members, they know him better than me. But then, what I've learned when I met late S.D. Khongwir is that he is a person who encourages each and every person, and especially to me on that particular day, where he gave his blessings, and I would really express my deepest condolence to his family members, and I do wish that may his soul rest in peace. Thank you, and God bless.